Today it's raining. It's raining when I'm walking. Rain is more already. Slight drizzle is there now, but it was raining heavily. Last 1 hour it's been raining here. So I think I can't fully walk. I need to take a bus today because I didn't bring my umbrella. I need to stop walking, go to the bus stop and wait for my bus, which used to come by 7 o'clock, 290 MB. I will wait for that bus in the bus stop itself. Or else the rain would be going more like heavy rains. The roads are already wet and lots of leaves around. I don't want to go in rain for a long time, like 20 minutes I should walk in rain, or else I didn't bring my umbrella today. I should have brought umbrella but I thought it's summer, I no need to carry any umbrella and there is no thought that it's going to rain today. But the prediction is tomorrow is also going to rain. Definitely I will bring umbrella tomorrow. And now I will go to the bus stop and take the bus to my home. Today I'm not walking, just 2 kilometers. Maybe I can't go for I won't go for cycling maybe today. So I think I'm planning to go to gym, do the cycling there after my dinner, maybe at 9 o'clock, usual time, 9 to 9:30 I go for cycling. So today what I will do is I will go do cycling at the time and see on the pathway full of water. There is bubbly water coming. Okay. Oh yeah, the roads are full of water because of rain. I don't know when I'll catch my bus today, but no other option. Today is a different day. It's a rainy day. So since I'm not walking, the plan is to go to the gym in the night after dinner. By 9 o'clock I will go to gym, do the cycling or do some small running over there in the gym. I should jump this water. My shoes became wet due to the rainwater flowing on the roads. So the roads are filled with water already, full of water. My shoes became wet, my socks became wet. It's going to be chill for me now. Rain is really heavy today. It rained for an hour almost. That's why the roads full of water. Roads are very heavy water. And if it's going to rain, I don't have any other option other than instead of carrying my sports shoes, I should carry my Crocs, I think. So that I should wear Crocs and come, or some kind of sandals. Usually when I go in scooty, I used to carry the Crocs along in the dicky. So whenever it rains, I change the shoes. I wear Crocs. But in the morning when I'm walking, I don't wear Crocs, and if I wear my shoes, it's going to be difficult. Maybe I can carry my Crocs on a cover, in a cover. I can change my shoes after reaching. So instead of walking, we want to stay on the bus stop. Wait for the bus. something comes, but I need to stand for a long, long period. And there is no power. Lights are turned off. There are no lights. I will or go. I don't know. No. Bus comes which goes to Shivaji Nagar. If I go to Shivaji Nagar also I can go. From there I can change the bus. Instead of going up to Shivaji Nagar, I can wait for direct bus to go to an apartment here itself. I should see where is better bus coming. Yes. Whenever it comes, very behavior. It's not a heavy rain. I just must stop for some period. Okay. I waited for a bus for a few minutes, but I think instead of waiting over here for bus, it's better I walk directly to the place where I take my bus. Usually, that's the best way. The rain is slightly drizzling. In 15 minutes I will reach that place. So instead of waiting here for half an hour, walking 15 minutes to that place and catching the bus, regular bus, is better for me. So I started walking. I would have brought my umbrella, situation would be different for me. I'd be carrying the umbrella along with me, so no need to worry about going in rain. Should continue walking, my regular walking. So today I'm continuing walking, my regular walking, not missing the walking today as well. But in the rains, slightly in the rains, I'm walking. My shoes are wet, up to the socks it's wet. But still, okay, it's fine. It's slightly rainy, slightly drizzling. No problem to walk in this kind of this rains. And when I go to the place, and then I'll show you once I reach my destination. Reach the place, but it got wet in the rain slightly. The rain became more on the way. Standing under the shade, and it's totally jammed. Traffic. Totally jammed. So there are no buses. Waiting for the bus. Let's see when it is coming.